There is a really great tax benefit in Israel to owning residential real estate. That's what we'll discuss today. Hi, this is Eden Einav from Financial Aliyah. So if you own residential real estate in Israel, you can get a tax exemption on the monthly rental that you collect on that property. Now the tax exemption is only if you earn up to 10,200 shekels of monthly rent from the property. If you earn up to 5,100 shekels, that income is completely tax-free. If you earn up to 10,200 shekels, you receive that income at a reduced price. Now, you only receive this money on the condition that it's residential real estate and being rented out for residential purposes. If you own 10 or more apartments, you cannot collect this tax exemption. If you own between 6 and 10 apartments, then the tax authority will evaluate the exemption on your basis according to criteria that they have. Now let me give you some examples of how that works in real life. If you own one apartment and you rent it out for 5,000 shekels a month, boom, that income is completely tax-free. Let's say you rent out two apartments, one for 2,000 shekels, one for 3,000 shekels. Boom, that income is completely tax-free. But now let's say you rent out an apartment for 7,000 shekels, above that 5,100 shekels that you would need in order to get it completely tax-free, but still below the 10,200 shekels, allowing you to get a reduction in your taxes. So the way you would calculate this is, you would take 7,000 shekels, minus it by the 5,100 shekel tax exemption. Now take that amount and minus it from 5,100 shekels. That'll give us 3,200 shekels. So 3,200 shekels of the 7,000 shekels income will be completely tax-free, and you will pay income tax on 3,800 shekels additional monthly income from that apartment. Now, if you own two apartments that are between 5,100 shekels and 10,200 shekels, then there's two different ways to calculate it, and that's beyond the scope of this video. Now, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and I highly recommend you consult with a licensed accountant if you are thinking about using this exemption. Now, this is one of the great benefits why people really like and love residential real estate in Israel. I hope this video helped. Please share with any friends that you think it might be useful for. And feel free to write any comments down below. I'm more than happy to answer your questions.